So we're here at East Harbor State Park. Just got all set up. I sound horrible. I've got a cold. And actually we're supposed to be in Pennsylvania right now. So I think this is a good time to talk about when things don't always go according to plan. That's right, because I was sick, we had to change our plans. We were going to go to Hershey, Pennsylvania. We've put that off till later in the year, and we've decided to come up here to East Harbor State Park. It was supposed to be 70 degrees and sunny, and it's 48 degrees and mostly cloudy, but we're still having so much fun. We've got 3 of the 4 kids came with us. Oldest is getting older and having less interest in coming with us, but let me show you the little one on the scooter. As you can see, there's not too many people here today. It's spring break, but apparently not for everybody. So how's the scootering territory?
It's a little bumpy, so.
Pretty big park, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go see what Mom's cooking. There she is. Watch out for the goose poop. First walk. What do you think?
Yay! Okay, I don't know what they're doing behind me, but this place is awesome. So there's buoys apparently. Okay, great.
Jaren's tormenting the geese.
I know.
What did you do to him?
Take a picture of them. Oh, there's a little shaky. Ow!
A nature center. So we came here instead of Hershey.
What?
Is this an okay compromise?
Yeah.
Because Dad was sick and he didn't want to drive so long. Don't call me a loser because I was sick. You're calling me a loser because I was sick.
I don't think you're a loser.
Thanks. Well, it's also because of weather.
Weather.
I wouldn't want to go there and just
But it would have been the
not
same
have
weather.
anything
Oh,
to
dear.
do. Deer.
Deer.
Deer, where? Since you're down there.
So far, this place has been amazing. There's like a ton of campgrounds. So all of those you see is probably like campgrounds, and then like there's like the little shack things. They look like a shack. Then those are bathhouses or bathrooms or something. I will get chips. I want chips.
Still going into
Explosions are fun.
Oh my goodness, shrink.
Explosions are fun.
Oh my gosh. Dad, look. Still see it.
So for perspective and size, the Fritos bag, it's the size of my finger.
Did you videotape it shrinking?
Jaren, don't. Seriously, melted hot plastic stuck to your skin is not a fun experience. I've done it.
You've done like everything.
Why do you think I tell you things? Alright, come here, little Miss Sandy Toes. See those dirty feet. Stick it out. Ready?
A car. It's so wet.
It is so wet. So wet. So on the theme of rolling with it, we're gonna go to the mall and get away from this wetness. So when weather doesn't cooperate, this is what we do. Food court. Nails. Want some coffee?
No.
You're cute.
Why would I want coffee?
Who wouldn't want coffee?
I mean, I do want coffee, but not black coffee.
So obviously this trip did not go according to plan, but we still made the best of it. And that's something that you have to do, especially in the RV life. You encounter things that you can't control, like the weather, like not feeling well. But what you can control is your own attitude, your own outlook on things. So if you choose to make the best of it, you can still have a really good time. And that's what we had to do this time around. So it was a really good trip, even though it was not exactly what we set out to do. Have you ever had a trip that went totally wrong or not according to plan, but you still had a good time? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of when we upload more content. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.
All right, last day here. You guys have fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Was it wet the whole time?
Not the whole time.
You made the best of it by going to the mall, getting some new clothes.
Well, you should say new stuff.
New stuff? What'd you get?
I got a pen.
What?
I got a pen. Cute pen.
Oh, that's cute.